So I'm back again. I wanted to show you a common mistake that I made. Well, I shouldn't be making these mistakes, but when you're making videos and you're focusing on the camera and lenses, angles, and things like that, you tend to make mistakes. So anyway, I'm cutting out this Lions logo. Okay, it's a three-tiered logo. So I'm cutting out the black layer first, and the white layer, and then the blue layer on top. So that'll be a stacked layer. Black and white are the MDF layers, and then the blue will be the birch plywood. So as I'm cutting this out, I always like to do intercuts first, okay? However, wasn't thinking, I actually did the intercut on the bottom layer, okay? It doesn't really matter too much, it just takes a few minutes of my time. This is going to be glued to a backboard anyway, so it's not too big of a deal. So that'll be the black layer that I screwed up on. This will be the white layer. And then, just so you guys can see, there's the birch layer on top. Okay, so let me get that straight. Okay, so it'll go like something like this. Of course, I didn't finish this because I realized I screwed up and the tail broke off as I was cutting this. Sometimes the birch plywood is just kind of a crapshoot. You never know what you're going to get. As you can see, it's kind of got like a hole in the side of it. Sometimes you'll get this with like Home Depot wood or Lowe's, whatever. The plywood just kind of sucks and it just kind of breaks apart. It gets brittle, especially with the tail. So I just kind of said, screw it, I'll just use another piece on that. And there's my mistake there. But I was supposed to cut out the layers on this piece here. So you can see the pre-cut drill holes already, whereas this was supposed to be the layers on here. So that's my mistake there. I'm going to just redo it, no big deal. I have plenty of scraps to work with. So just something to keep in mind when you're doing this, building layers, that of course you're going to print a good quality image so you know exactly what you're cutting. But because I was so distracted, I cut the holes out in the intercuts for the back layer instead of the top layer. So just a layer, just an idea. Keep in mind the layers and exactly what you're doing. You're going to make mistakes. It's going to happen. So I just wanted to help you maybe learn from this. And then stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to have this one posted as well. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll show you exactly how I get this one done. And then I'll go over painting and finishing and things like that, sanding techniques. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.